All right, imagine this. You're juggling investments, maybe dipping your toes into crypto, and you're thinking, man, I need a simple, centralized way to manage my money. You've heard about M1 Finance, right? But then the crucial question hits you. Does M1 even have a checking account? It's a question that can really change how you see a financial platform, isn't it? Because let's face it, we're not living in the era of scattered financial tools anymore. We want everything in one place. We want seamless integration. We want to stop the mental gymnastics of transferring money between different accounts. Think about it. You're trying to automate your investing. You're trying to optimize your spending. You're trying to build wealth. And then you realize you have to jump through hoops just to move money from your everyday checking to your investment portfolio. It's frustrating, right? That's why the question of whether M1 offers a checking account is so vital. It's not just about a simple transaction, it's about the entire ecosystem of your financial life. Now, M1 Finance has positioned itself as this powerhouse platform for long-term investors. They've emphasized automated investing, fractional shares, and a really slick, user-friendly interface. But what about the day-to-day stuff? What about the bread and butter of financial management? To truly understand this, we need to dive into the evolution of M1. Initially, M1 was all about building your pies, which are essentially custom investment portfolios. You could choose stocks, ETFs, and even create your own allocations. It was revolutionary for people who wanted a hands-off approach to investing. But as the financial landscape shifted, and as users demanded more comprehensive solutions, M1 started to expand its offerings. They introduced M1 Borrow, allowing users to borrow against their portfolios. They launched M1 Spend, which is where things get interesting. So, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does M1 have a checking account? Well, the answer is a little nuanced. It's not a traditional checking account in the way you might think of it. It's part of M1 Spend, which is a checking-like account, but with some extra features that tie it into the broader M1 ecosystem. Think of M1 Spend as a hybrid. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your investments. It offers a debit card, direct deposit, and bill pay, all the basic functionalities you'd expect from a checking account. But it also comes with features that are unique to M1. One of the key distinctions is the integration with M1 Borrow. If you have an M1 Borrow account, you can use your debit card to spend against your borrowed funds. This means you can access cash without selling your investments. It's a pretty powerful tool for managing liquidity. Another important aspect of M1 Spend is its focus on automation. You can set up automatic transfers between your M1 Spend account and your investment pies. This allows you to effortlessly invest your spare cash without manually moving money around. Now, let's address some of the common questions people have about M1 Spend. For example, what about fees? Well, M1 Spend is generally free for M1 Plus members. M1 Plus is a premium subscription service that unlocks additional features across the M1 platform. If you're not an M1 Plus member, there might be some fees associated with certain transactions. Another question is about FDIC insurance. Yes, M1 Spend accounts are FDIC insured up to $250,000, which provides the same level of protection you'd expect from a traditional bank. But here's the thing, M1 Spend isn't just a standalone checking account. It's part of a larger ecosystem designed to help you manage your entire financial life. This integration is what sets M1 apart from other platforms. For example, let's say you receive your paycheck via direct deposit into your M1 Spend account. You can then automatically allocate a portion of that paycheck to your investment pies. You can also use your debit card to pay bills and make purchases, and any leftover cash can be automatically invested. This level of automation and integration is incredibly powerful. It allows you to streamline your finances and focus on your long-term goals. However, it's important to note that M1 Spend might not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for a traditional checking account with a wide range of branch locations and in-person customer service, M1 might not be the right choice. M1 is primarily a digital platform, and its focus is on online and mobile banking. Furthermore, if you're not interested in investing or if you prefer a more hands-on approach to managing your finances, M1 Spend might be overkill. The platform is designed for people who want to automate their investing and streamline their financial management. But for those who are looking for a seamless, integrated financial platform, M1 Spend can be a game changer. It offers a unique combination of checking, investing, and borrowing features that can help you achieve your financial goals. Let's break down the key takeaways. M1 does offer a checking-like account through M1 Spend. It's not a traditional checking account, but it offers many of the same functionalities, including a debit card, direct deposit, and bill pay. M1 Spend is designed to seamlessly integrate with the M1 platform, allowing you to automate your investing and manage your finances in one place. It's FDIC insured, providing the same level of protection as a traditional bank. It's important to consider your own financial needs and goals before deciding whether M1 Spend is right for you. If you're looking for a comprehensive, integrated financial platform, M1 might be a great option. In conclusion, the question, does M1 have a checking account, is really a question about the broader M1 ecosystem. It's about how M1 is trying to redefine financial management by offering a seamless, integrated platform that combines investing, borrowing, and spending. M1 Spend is a key part of that ecosystem, offering a checking-like account that allows you to automate your finances and achieve your long-term goals. It's about understanding that M1 is not just another investment platform. It's a platform that's trying to build a holistic financial experience. And that experience centers around the ability to have all of your money working together. So, when you consider M1 Spend, don't just consider it as a checking account. Consider it as a part of a larger plan. A plan to optimize your finances, automate your investments, and build wealth. And that's the real power of M1. It's not just about having a checking account. It's about having a financial ecosystem that works for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.